Hello everyone, I'm back again with another quick video. Just want to show you why I like this MyThemeshop deal. Now, originally I only wanted to go for that one plugin, the review plugin, but since I signed up for MyThemeshop with their Black Friday deal, you see I signed up there. I've downloaded quite a few themes and plugins. I've been testing them and they're all really high quality, good plugins and nice themes. So I've got a couple hundred sites and I like to mix up the themes, just try something new. I've tried a few of their themes and they're really good, they work really well. So I just want to go through a few of them quickly. So once you sign up, you get access to this active premium resources. You can just download straight from there and click on theme files and download. But one of the things I like is that you can download demo data and the widgets and stuff straight away, so you can get cracking straight away. Because sometimes when you get a new theme, you don't know where to start, you don't know how to get the layout looking good. So they've got a few examples. Download everything straight away. So I downloaded this one straight away, the schema theme. It's a really nice, fast, quick theme. Okay, so I tried the minimal demo, and what you can do, it's got all these schema code and everything built in, but you can add your own ads in the content, in the header, on the side, and they pre-prepare the widgets for you. So within 5 minutes you can knock out a site. And if you want to just make money from AdSense, you can use a plugin like Usermatic. That's actually on sale. This is my Black Friday page. Where is it? Code Canyon. I think I put it in my highlights. In Usermatic, it's 50% off. And what that does is you can bring in content from various news sources. It's all free. And just make a free account to get an API key. And with something like a schema or newspaper or one of these similar themes, you can quickly pull in the content and stick a load of ads on there. And that's it, that's passive income right there. I tried a few plugins and themes, I don't really like them, but I think this will be the way I do it from now on. So I use themes like schema or schema. They want their own AdSense theme. I saw this coupon theme is really good. I've actually got a good Black Friday domain, but I haven't used it in over a year. This is a theme I'm going to put on there. Let me show you a quick demo of this one. Flipping out a lot of demos. Let me just grab the first one. Okay, this is a nice, attractive theme, and I like this little the way it highlights it. So if you click on something, see what it does. Okay, it takes you to another page, more offers. So it's a nice theme. It's different. I did try Rehab, but I found it really complicated and fiddly to set up. But if you want Rehab, I think that's an offer as well. Is it? I'm pretty sure it is. It is, yeah. That's also 50% off. Also, X theme is 50% off. And this one, Shiffer News Magazine. I know a lot of big blogging sites that use that, which was surprising. Okay, close this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is a popular theme, socially viral. I've downloaded that one. And plugins, yeah, RankMath is free. I'm going to do a tutorial on RankMath. This one I've used, I like. I haven't tried this one. This is another one that I've downloaded. I think I'm using it on my main site, am I? I think I am, yeah. Which is nice, notification bars. You can have a countdown timer, put a subscribe form, a countdown timer, social media, newsletter, search form, post content, and also you can set it up to only show on certain posts and pages if the visitor comes from a certain site. That's a really good one. WP Subscribe, I've downloaded but not used yet, but that also looks really good. It's a bit limited with the integration, but I do have GetResponse. So here, integrates with GetResponse. I don't know if you can add your own. Oh, they've actually extended it quite a lot. Okay, I can't see if you can add your own HTML form. Oh, you can. Oh, no, sorry. Okay, but it's a pretty funky form anyway. Might as well look at the demo. This is annoying. Okay, we get it. Okay, it's a little pop-up, be emailing, blah blah blah. This is a socially viral theme. Okay. I don't really know what this is. Okay, I'll look at the demo. Sorry, it's supposed to be a quick video. Let me just quickly. Okay. That would be good for a WooCommerce site. Yeah, that's nice. Or a news site, yeah, that is good. Okay, close this. Okay. Oops. What else is good? Plugins. I normally go for the plugins. Okay, tab widget. Okay, that's good. Content locker, I don't really like using these sort of plugins. It's annoying as a reader when you have to subscribe or something. In post ads, that's not essential because you can use Google's ad placement script where it will randomly put ads based on your page content. But this, if you want to put it in specific page spaces, that'll be good. This, I think I've downloaded, not tried this one. Normally I use Updraft Plus. Is there an offer for that? Let me see. Ah, there is. 20% off Updraft Plus. Sorry. Only till 30th. It's tomorrow. Is it tomorrow? No, 2 days, sorry. Okay. Sorry, that was someone at the door. Okay, so yeah, so I think that's about it for this video. But there are some other good offers out there. But if you have a lot of sites or you like to use a lot of plugins, this is a really good deal, and I think you should go for it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.